Hi, the idea for this video is kind of a complicated one. Just before I hit the record button right now, I spent like 15 minutes just thinking how I want this video to go, because now the topics I want to touch on this video are kind of it's like I get into one topic, but that one topic happens to be related to another one, and then that happens to be related to another one, and it kind of ends up with these too many topics which I don't really know which one do I want to get into. I think I'm going to keep this video simple and talk about just this one dream in particular, which was kind of an interesting one, and not get into too much as to how many ways this dream and how many concepts that I saw in this dream related to other dreams that I've had and all the other concepts that were related with between them. So this dream it's fairly straightforward. I wouldn't say it was that much of a surreal one, although it does have quite a bit of a surreal feeling to it. So this dream starts, or at least the part that I remember about this, because this dream was quite a while ago, and so I am on this on the rooftop of some kind of a building. I don't know what building it was. It was it was some building in the middle of some city. So I'm on top of this building and I'm on the roof, and I'm kind of laying down on the roof, looking up at the sky. So what I see is okay. There's another part of the stream. I'm just trying to remember if that was before or after. So it was. I'm not entirely sure, but I think it was before. So what ended up happening is I went to the top of the roof and I found this room. Now apparently this room controlled some kind of some kind of a missile control center. That's what it was. So from this place you could control how missiles how they could fly from one location to another. And I don't know, it was some kind of a like almost something out of some movie or some kind of a video game where you have these missile control centers where it's this crazy location, it's some kind of a base or something. So I'm in this place and I go and I see this room. It's not that large. It's just a simple room, and there's no one in it. But you can see that everything else inside this room is on. So it's a functional room, and it still controls something at least. So it's not like it's an abandoned place or something. So I see this room. I just take a look at it. I don't really go inside. I don't remember if I went inside or not exactly, but I don't think I did. So I just took a look and then went outside. And then I think I went onto the roof and I just laid down and I started looking up at the sky. So I'm laying down, and out of nowhere I noticed that this one trail of light starts moving into the sky. So I kind of look at it, and it looks like it's a missile that is flying, but it's not. It doesn't look like it's going to land anywhere near. It looks like it was just kind of like an aeroplane. When you look at it in the sky, it's just flying from one place to another. So I'm looking at this, and it has this very distinct greenish color, like if you've seen a firefly, you know how they have that exact that really striking green color to it. So it looked like a firefly that was going through the sky, but it was actually a missile. Um, and after this, there was some kind of sounds that started playing inside the control room or whatever that was. And I think that was it. After that, the dream kind of changed onto something else, and it didn't really come to an end because this whole thing sounds kind of anticlimactic. But it was an interesting sight. And because I had been making videos recently about the ideas of colors in dreams, I thought this was an interesting one, because in the past few videos I talked about the color blue and the color red. So this was I think in this dream, again, a color had to play some kind of a context in the dream. So well, that's what this dream was about. Now the way it related to other dreams is there's just too many things that this dream had in common with the others. Oh, and by the way, I'm not sure if I mentioned this or not, but this was at night, so everything, it was like pitch black, everything at night. But I guess you can guess that from the fact that the color of the missile, this glow of the missile was visible, this greenish glow. So apart from this, there have been other dreams where I have seen missiles, and there have been other concepts that have been associated with this, like seeing something way high into the sky. And um, apart from this, there's a whole bunch of other stuff which honestly I can hardly even remember right now. So I think that's where I'm going to stop this video, or at least for now, before I'll probably make another part of this video where I get more into detail about what kind of how, in what ways this dream related to others. So well, yeah, I think that's it for this video, and for the next few videos I have a few other ideas in mind as to what those videos are going to be about, but they're going to be related to whatever things that I've been talking about so far. So, well, yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see you next time.